The site is almost 180 kilometers from Bangalore and the clients are based overseas. So everything had to be planned and organized in detail. That's what the project was about: clear communication and proper detailing. And guess what? Everything came out seamlessly. Hi, I'm Shivangi, an interior designer at Interior Company, and today I'm going to take you through a home design with defined and minimal approach for our client Mr. Kumar in Hanur, Mysore. The client has been based in US for over 20 years, so the brief was clear: a space that feels clean, clutter-free and visually sharp while still maintaining the warmth. Since the home has double height volume and an open mezzanine, we wanted to enhance the sense of openness than break it. That's why we kept the base palettes light and used large format flooring. It helps the space feel more seamless and expensive. To bring warmth into such large volume, wood was introduced across the ceilings and paneling. It visually grounds the space and makes it more inviting, especially when paired with softer lights. You can see that we have used fluted paneling in the living area. This wasn't just for aesthetics, but to add depth and create a subtle visual rhythm without adding clutter. Along with that, all the storage has been designed as handleless, so it blends into the walls and doesn't interrupt the clean look. The color palette is kept very neutral with off-whites and taupes, and then balanced with darker tones of charcoal and wood to add contrast. Small hints of muted gold have been added in certain areas to bring it a bit of elegance without overpowering the space. In the bedrooms, we wanted the space to feel more softer and more comfortable, so the headboards are more tactile, combining fabric and wood. It adds warmth and also makes the space feel more personal. The kitchen continues to have the same approach, keeping it clean, functional and visually seamless. So it's easy to use but aligns with the overall design language. Even in the washrooms, the idea was to maintain minimal yet premium feel. So we used marble, glass partitions and brushed gold fittings to keep it elegant, while elements like niches and backlit mirrors make the space more practical. Lighting plays a very important role throughout the home, from the skylight bringing in natural light to the layered artificial lighting. Everything is designed to highlight textures and create a soft and comfortable atmosphere. Overall, this home shows minimal design doesn't have to feel empty. With the right balance of materials and detailing, it can feel warm, refined, and highly functional at the same time. If you're looking to design your home, book your consultation with Interior Company and start designing a space that truly reflects your lifestyle.